All right, can you start by telling us who you're working for and what your company does?
Yeah, so my name is Peter Schaller. I work for EMI Industries. We make store fixtures for the restaurants, grocery stores, convenience stores. Yeah.
Excellent. And what are the challenges you are facing in your company right now?
Well, I think like everybody right now, there's labor shortages, and it's just a change in the market right now. So we're looking for something that will help us, like robotics. Yeah.
Do you have any prior robotics experience in your company?
Yeah, we started robotics about a year and a half ago in our company. So we just finished a pretty large project with a little bit more complicated system.
Excellent. And you just demoed the ESAB Cobot. How was your experience with it?
I think that the way it's programmed is the way to go.
Good. And what did amaze you the most in how it's programmed, teached?
That I don't have to have the remote in my hands and program it. And, with that almost, I will have to bring out one of my engineers and let them program it. I think this unit will be able, a normal welder will be able to program it.
Good. And how would you see this tool help in your production? What type of production? Which people do you think would work best with it?
I believe the younger generation, it is already, they love the video games. They will eat that up, I think. But also it is a tool that can be used for low volume production. And that's also what we have. So we need something that is not takes 3 days to program, but can be done in an hour or two and then get to work.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for sharing your experience with us.
You're welcome.